In today's changing world, mastering corporate governance isn't just an advantage, it's a requirement for leadership excellence. Corporate governance is about steering organizations with integrity, foresight, and responsibility. It's where strategic leadership meets ethical practices, shaping the future of businesses globally. The Corporate Governance Institute is at the forefront of educating and empowering the next generation of board directors and organizational leaders. Developed by global experts in corporate governance and ethics, the course is accredited by Glasgow Caledonian University, a distinguished UK institution, and offers a comprehensive and profound insight into best practices and ethical considerations in corporate governance. You won't simply be taught corporate governance. You'll be immersed in an environment where you'll develop the skills to lead with it. You'll learn through a blend of practical insights and real-world scenarios. All the course material has been tailored and is continuously revised and updated to make you a leader who can navigate the complexities of modern corporate governance. The focus on critical areas such as compliance, strategic risk management, and ethical leadership means you can start implementing what you learn into your professional role immediately. If you've a demanding professional life, you'll welcome our flexible learning approach. The diploma can be adapted to your schedule so that you can learn at your own pace, yet remain completely engaged with the latest thinking and your peers. Completing the diploma in corporate governance means more than achieving a university credit-rated qualification. It shows your readiness to take on significant roles in governance. It demonstrates that you've the knowledge, skills, and vision to lead ethically and effectively. Your qualification will be a badge of how committed you are to leading with integrity and excellence in the corporate world. Advance your career with our university credit-rated diploma that's industry-approved and globally recognized. Get started now.